Magandang hapon mga kalalabs! Welcome back to our YouTube channel!
What's up mga friends?
So, where are we, my love?
We are in Horseshoe Bay. And I would like to tell you the history of Horseshoe Bay. So back in 1857, the... What?
You and your history, right? There's a lot of chips, crumbs there. So, mga kalalabs, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's been a while. Kamusta po kayong lahat? So, we are going to Tofino, but first we will stop by Nanaimo. It's our first time. Are we getting our Nanaimo bar?
It's a must.
Yeah.
On the ferry?
No, it's in Nanaimo.
We gotta wait till Nanaimo?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you mean it's ferry? We should not get it here. We should
That's
get it
the
at
ferry
Nanaimo.
bar. Well, they get them from Nanaimo. They import
I
them.
know, but we should get it by Nanaimo.
True.
Pupunta ka dun, tapos bibili ka sa ferry. So, anyway, we've been waiting here for almost
1 hour.
1 hour. So, grabe, ang haba ng pila mga kalalabs. So, meron kaming reservation. Nagbook kami ng ticket. Hindi ko alam kung ano tong mga to. Kasi may nakita akong sign, papasok dito na this side is non-reservation and this side is with reservation. Oops. Naantok si Papa din. So, ayun. Update namin kayo no mga kalalabs pag nasa ferry na tayo. So, we will be taking the ferry 1 hour and a half. So, ayun, excited akong i-share sa inyo yung vlog natin kasi it's been a while na hindi tayo nakapag-travel. So, this is the best time to share and it's our first time nga na makapunta ng Tofino. So, we are excited because I saw a lot of videos and photos of Tofino and it's beautiful. So, excited ba kayo? Thumbs up! And kung napadaan kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel, my name is Faye. This is Papa Dave, and of course, this is our beautiful daughter,
Sweet Nick.
Sweet Nick. And we are Kalalabs family. Welcome to our Kalalabs family. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share, so we can have a lot of Kalalabs family in our YouTube channel.
What?
Yeah, Kalalabs family.
Oh yes, that's
We
true.
are Kalalabs family, love.
That's true.
Yeah. So okay.
Okay.
Let's watch the YouTube video while waiting.
Okay, love you.
Bye. Hindi pa kami nakaalis mga kalalabs. 2 hours and a half. Andito pa rin kami. I think dito na kami matutulog sa sasakyan.
What is going on?
I know. Oh my gosh. Labas na tayo saglit. Yeah. Oh my, nagbibibiw na yung mga car. Ay, ang haba. Doon, oh. Oh my. Stretch muna tayo. Grabe. Anong oras kaya kami, makakasakay ng ferry? My G. Late yata yung ferry. Buti na lang maganda yung view natin, oh. Oh, orange, Bab. Orange light.
That's crazy.
Red light.
Why is it still a red light?
I know, orange light, red light.
How long is the light up?
I know. My God. Let's go. Whoa.
Nick?
Yeah.
I just wanted to tell you that we have a very special day planned for you.
What's the plan?
It's called hide and seek on the ferry.
Can you imagine living
I
there?
can imagine. I can. And
Like
it would
you
be
have the
beautiful.
ocean view and then the mountain view, right?
And the ferries. Everybody going on.
Wow. Tingnan niyo yung
Lubato,
cafe.
Lastolanto.
Ang liit ng cafe. Sarado na yata siya. We're close. Akyat tayo. Tingnan natin yung view sa taas. Malamig ah. I forgot my jacket. Ayun ako. Okay ka lang, Nicole? Ayun ako. Oh, may mga upuan dito oh. What are you doing, babe? Pasaway talaga to. Wow, ang ganda mga kalalabs oh. We need selfie. Nice. So beautiful. Kaso nga lang malamig. Wow. So, andito na kami sa loob ng ferry. So, meron silang mga dito. Coffee shop and restaurant. Pero doon mas mahaba yung pila ng restaurant kasi burger. Ayan, ito yung mga upuan. Si Nicole gagamit ng washroom. I'll get some tea, okay, love? Yeah. We are moving, mga kalalabs. Wow. So, dito na kami sa harap ng hotel, mga kalalabs. Kaso nga lang, mag-check-in lang si Papa Dave. Tapos tatanungin namin kung saan namin ipapark yung car. Kasi I think, meron dito sa side na to, yung parking, and then meron din doon sa may side dyan. So, let's see kung ano ang mangyayari. Oh, wait natin si Papa. Hindi nag-work yung namin dito, yung internet namin. So, nag-freak out siya kanina pagkababa namin ng ferry. Nag-freak out siya, nagsasalita siya ng ang pangalan nun. Basta meron siyang sinasabi, paulit-ulit. Like, siguro mga 1 minute siyang paulit-ulit. So, kailangan namin mag-stop. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa kanya. Naninibago siya. First time niya dito sa nanay mo. Sayang, gabi na. Parang tahimik dito sa nanay mo. Parang walang masyadong ganap. So, hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakain. Kung baka dito na lang din. As in, wala siyang ganap talaga. Kakaiba. Hindi ko alam kung kung bakit. Kasi siguro maliit lang na island to. Kaya medyo tahimik. Hindi kagaya sa Vancouver. Wow. Finally, mga kalalabs, dito tayo. Oh my G. Look at your bed, Nicole. It's so comfy. So cute. I like that one too.
Nice room.
Yeah, nice room. Yeah, right? That's nice actually for our house. That's a perfect size.
For my room? Yeah.
No.
And it comes out as a sofa bed too.
Yeah, sofa bed. Anyway, ito yung room natin. May na kami mga kalabs, room tour. Labas na kami kaagad. Let's go. Let's go and find our dinner. Kunin ko lang yung bag ko dito. Yung bag natin. Gamit ko yung tote bag na binigay sa akin ni Papa dito. And ito yung bag natin. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig, pero magja-jacket ako. Kasi ayaw kong suffering beauty. Char! Suffering beauty. Okay, let's go! Inaayos ni Papa Dib yung bed ni Nicole. Beb, be careful, okay?
How do you do it?
I don't know.
Oh,
there you go. Yan yung bed ni Nicole. Ang galing naman ng bed na to, no? Ay, sofa, nagiging bed. Do you have pillows? Do you have blanket? Here's the blanket, love.
I have a pillow.
How's the blanket, though?
Here. You see that corner?
Yeah.
Better put that thing.
Grabe, nabusog ako dun sa in-order namin ni Papa Dip. Chowder yun ni, seafood chowder. And it's already late. Ayaw ko sanang kumain kasi mapilit tong Papa Dip na to. Sabi niya, kumain ka. So, syempre ako naman, natukso. So, okay, dahil food is life.
I feel fat.
What do you mean?
I feel fat.
No, it's okay. I feel fat daw. Okay, let's get ready to sleep. Manunod lang kami. Siyempre, hindi pa kami pwedeng matulog. Buti na lang yung restaurant, mga kalalabs, is malayo siya dito sa hotel. So, siguro mga around 20 minutes walk. So, nagkaroon pa rin kami ng 20 minutes walk. So, that's good. Okay, mag-get ready na para makapagpahinga. And then, maaga tayong aalis tomorrow papuntang Tofino. Around 8 a.m. So, we need to have a little rest. Ito pala yung natin, yung bathroom. Ang ganda ng bathroom na to, no? I like this. What size is this? Malaki tong bathroom na to ah. I like it. Malaki siya. Ano kayang size nito, no? Gusto ko kasi pag magkakaroon ako ng ng bagong bathroom, gusto ko ganito kalaki. Para siyang isang room na. Parang bed ni Nicole. Parang ganito kalaki yung bed niya. I like this shower. This, babe, this bathroom is big. It's like bigger than Nicole's room.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Grabe, parang lang, ilak ko nga to ng maayos. Para hindi tayo pasukin. Make sure everything's locked. Okay, see you tomorrow mga kalalabs. Good night. Good morning mga kalalab. It's a beautiful day. We are excited na makapunta na ng Tofino. So it's already almost 8 a.m.
Yep.
Yeah. Meron silang pa-free coffee dito sa hotel. So Papa Dave told me to stop by the Starbucks. Sabi ko ito na lang kasi masarap siya. So that we don't need to spend money na bumili sa Starbucks. Kasi kakain naman kami dun sa Are we going to the goat farm? Or is it goat farm?
There's goats on the roof, and it's my dream. This is my dream place in the world.
Paborito ni Papa Dave ang goat. Sabi ko inuulam namin ang goat. Ang sarap kaya nun. It's really delicious. Sinigang na goat. We call it kambing lang.
You can't eat the goats because the goats are so friendly and they're happy and have little beards.
They're so delicious. I love goat. Sinigang na goat. Good morning. Why are you looking at my something? You're looking something, huh? Gwapo yarn. Wow!
Can you go see the sunrise?
Yeah, we're going to see it outside,
right there,
love.
go!
Okay, let me show you the view, mga kalalabs. Excited nang maipakita ni Papa Dib yung labas. Tayo lang. Pakita ko
On the
sa
other
inyo.
side is the thing.
Huh?
Is the sunrise.
Okay, let's show them. Sobrang ganda, di ba mga kalalabs? Ito yung view natin dito sa ating room. It's really beautiful. Ang dami nilang ginagawa dito, oh, construction sa nila daanan sa kalsada. So ganito katahimik dito sa Nanaimo. Ibang-iba sa sa Vancouver. Sobrang ingay. Dito sobrang quiet lang. Relax. Relax na island. So beautiful. Okay, let's go. Kumuha ako ng free apple. May free apple sila. Good morning, nanay mo. Ganda naman ng area dito. Ayan. So, on the way kami sa muna, pharmacy. May bibiling gamot si Papa Dave. And then, next will be charging the car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are going to charge the car first. Let's find the pharmacy. So, dumaan lang kami dito sa park na to, mga kalalab. Sobrang nice dito. And, tingnan nyo naman tong puno, cherry blossom. O, diba? Sobrang nice. Ang perfect ng spot niya, oh. Ang perfect ng spot. And sobrang linis. You can feel the fresh air. And dalawa. Magpipicture kami doon, mga kalab, sa may Nanaimo sign para mayroon tayong selfie dito sa Nanaimo. Kahit saglit lang tayo dito. Ang laki ng park na to. This is a really nice place for summer also. Ayan, itong mga to pag spring na talaga, magkakaroon siya ng mga dahon, mas maganda siyang tignan. Okay, let's do a selfie. Siyempre di mawawala ang selfie natin. And ang laki ng playground doon, oh. Sobrang laki ng mga bata dito. Meron silang magandang playground. And it's nice area. Okay, dito tayo magpipicture. Nanay mo.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now they're looking up.
Hello, good day. What can I get started for you?
I would like a tall coffee, Pike,
Oh, pipe roast
and
coffee. Yep.
can I have extra milk in it?
Extra milk.
Yeah.
Got it.
2.
Two.
Two of those.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Yes.
Caramel macchiato, please.
And one caramel macchiato,
A caramel macchiato. What size would you like?
tall.
Tall as well.
Yeah.
Very good.
And no tax.
Sorry.
No tax.
I wish.
Okay, worth a try.
How about a tray?
Nah.
No, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Beautiful. $10.95 with these window.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just give you.
Our stories. So let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't.
Sobrang ganda oh, mga kalalabs. Oh my God. Like, can you imagine? Dito kayo nakatira. So pretty. Oh my God. Nakakatuwa siya. Parang ano lang, parang painting. Kita nyo yan? Diba? Parang painting lang siya. So pretty. So, papunta na sana kami sa goat farm, mga kalalas. Pero nadaanan namin to. Kakaiba siya. Diba? So, sabi namin mag-stop kami dito. And then, i-check natin kung ano yung meron dito. Isn't it cool?
It's cool.
Yeah. Look at that. Wow. So, hinahanap namin yung goat farm, mga kalals. Pero tingnan nyo naman to. So, meron silang coffee shop or grocery dito. And then, mga shop. Sobrang nice naman nitong area na to. Wala na ako masabi sa vlog, no? Kasi, syempre, first time namin makapunta ng nanay mo, makapunta dito sa mga places na to. So, parang na-amaze ako. So, merong mga ano doon, no? May clothing shop, mayroong fruit shop, may restaurant din dito. So, nasaan na yung dalawa? I don't think, hinahanap ni Papa Dib yung mga kambing. They don't have, love. We will eat soon, Nicole. hinahanap niya yung kambing, di niya makita. Sabi kasi, minsan nasa tuktok sila ng roof or, ayan, basta alam niyo na kung saan. Ayun, Papa Dave. Nahanap niya talaga yung mga kambing. Hindi niya makita. Dito yata kami kakain ng breakfast. So, we will find the breakfast. Tignan niyo itong puno na to. Is that a restaurant, Nicole? Oh, it's, yum. Dulce di yum yum. Yum, sabi ko. Dulce di yum yum. Cinnamon twister, strawberry fields, oh, donuts. Wala, di mo yun makikita, Beb. They're not here. Smells good food. Sobrang daming apples, oh. Iba't ibang klaseng apples. Ito yung paborito ko kasi, ano siya, malutong. Honey crisps. Daming mga ano dito. Gulay-gulay, zucchini. You found them, love?
You got one?
nahanap ni Papa Dev yung mga kambing. Oh my G. Ang cute naman nito. I know, right? So this is the souvenir shop, mga kalalabs. So akala namin may restaurant dito. Wala naman pala. It's a coffee shop. Oh, look! It's a restaurant.
Yeah, I know, but there's no.
It's no breakfast. Oh, huh? Oh, that's so pretty. Wow, that's so pretty. Ito yan, di ba, be? This is so pretty. How much is that? Magkano to, be? Walang nakalagay.
Oh, only $45. That's pretty good.
Oh, it's really nice.
I wanna get the food there.
Doon, hindi. Kakain tayo ng breakfast, be. We're gonna find our, restaurant. So, ang dami mong pwedeng bilhin dito na souvenir, oh. Kung gusto nyong mamili dito. Oh. May mga ganito. Toys. Ah. It's a nice place. Tapos, merong mga ano din dito, mga balsamic vinaigrette, mga ganon, honey, ayan oh, different kind of honey, blueberry, oh, Biscoff, Nicole, right? So good when you add it on your, anong tawag doon, be? Yogurt, tama, yogurt.
Bili ka talaga.
So, magkano to? Cookie spread.
Ay, wag na pala. $10.
Mas mura doon sa sa Vancouver. Magkano lang yun? $4 yata.
This is a small town.
Yeah, but this one's really good.
Even
Pero
without anything.
inubos mo naman kasi lahat ng ano.
No, my friend did.
And then, meron tayong mga sardines dito. Wow! Sardines. Ang sarap kaya ng mga ganito. Ayan, sardines. Kahit ito lang, masarap na. Mag-picnic ba? Cursen. Ano to? Fish taco. Sauce. Wow, ito masarap to. Mackerel. Parang gusto kong bumili ng sardines. Ay, tingnan nyo naman to. Wow. I want to buy this one. Bilhin ko nga to. Parang masarap siya. I wanna buy this. Bilhin ko to, mga kalalab. Sardines. Try. Let's buy. So, binili ko yung sardines. Si Papa Dave, bumili siya ng Nanaimo bar. And Nicole is so hungry. So, we got her beef sausage roll. So, si Papa Dave, ayaw niya mag-give up na makita yung mga kambing. Kaya hanapin namin. How is it, love? I'll try a little bit. But I don't like, I didn't have breakfast yet. So, I don't wanna eat sweets.
You never had a Nanaimo bar in Nanaimo. Bucket list.
Lagay ko to sa likod ng car. Sobrang happy ni Papa Dave. Nakita niya yung mga kambing. Pero dapat tong mga to, umaakit daw talaga siya sa bubong. But then they said May yata, umaakit sila sa bubong. Pero ngayon, yung kambing parang aso. May masayang tao, oo. Why is so weird? Sounds like a dog. Hindi ko alam. Para kambing. Parang si Ubi. Beb. I remember Ube. Ube is like that.
I wish Ube was here.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing.
Ang laki ng mga puno, oh, mga kalalab. So, andito kami sa Macmillan Park. Parang ano, nasa movie tayo. Kita nyo ba yan? Like, oh my G.
Think that tree's gonna fall off. Look.
Oh yeah, look at that. Maybe. Oh, malamig. Grabe yung mga puno dito, mga kalalabs. Nakaka-amaze. Ang lalaki. Buti na lang, meron silang ganito. Dati daw, wala pa to. Pero we are lucky na nagpunta kami dito and meron ng binild na ganitong walking site or walk site. Hindi ko alam, basta yung pwede mong daanan na hindi ka mapuputikan. Wow, it's so beautiful. So kung nature lover kayo, you can come here. And I will put the name here in the screen. So Macmillan Park yung tawag dito. So on the way to papuntang Tofino. Wow, it's pretty nice, right, love? So beautiful. I like it. Gusto ko yung mga ganito eh. Yung parang ano lang. Nasa wild ka lang. So nice. Nag-charge lang kami ng car, mga kalalab. So we have 6 minutes and then after this we are going to have lunch. So it's almost 12 PM. Buti na lang si Nicole, binilhan ko siya ng snack niya para hindi siya masyadong gutom. So ako nag-fasting talaga. Hindi mo siya matatawag na fasting kasi I drink coffee. So I think fake news fasting. Kasi 'di ba pag fasting, 'di ba, tubig lang. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero that's what I know kung fasting. So anyway, gutom na rin me. Mag 12 PM na. 5 minutes. Tingnan niyo naman yung view natin habang nag-charge. O 'di ba? Kahit saan ka mapunta, ganda ng view. So they have grocery store here, no frills. Meron silang Starbucks, meron silang A&W there. Pero we are going to have our lunch doon sa may nakita kami, seafood restaurant. So, doon tayo pupunta. Ayan, 5 minutes na lang. And we will go and eat. Rice is life.
Way better than Uncle Joe's. Bucket of clams.
It's very bucket.
It does not look like seasoned.
It's okay lang. Inubos ko pa rin kasi paborito ko ang seafood. So,
You can't expect much in a small town.
it's not bad.
Yeah,
Come on.
not bad.
Yeah, that's good. Nicole's fish and chips is good. Right, Nicole?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So,
Now turn right onto Victoria Key.
okay. Let's go to Tofino. 1 hour and 40 minutes, mga kalalabs. Let's enjoy the ride. So, andito kami sa Euclid, mga kalalabs. Wala pa tayo sa Tofino. Pero, yung Tofino kasi nasa right side. Yung Euclid nasa left side. So, dito tayo sa left side. It's beautiful. Alam nyo, mga kalalabs, yung daan. Ay, oh my God, na-stress me. Sobrang sobrang pasigsag. Tapos, pababa, pataas, pababa, pataas. And, look at that. Looks so nice. Oh my G. Nicole, let's sit here. Oh, it's so pretty. Yan yung lighthouse. Oh my G. Wow, dito maganda dito po. Tayo dito. God, so pretty. And
The world had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness?
Welcome to Tofino. What a colorful hotel. Tingnan yung kulay niya, rainbow na rainbow.
You have arrived at your destination.
Yay! Finally! We're here. So, nasa ano tayo? Malayo pa tayo dun sa mismong town or mismong city ng Tofino. Oh, look. This hotel look like Red Coconut Hotel, love.
Yeah.
The color.
Wait. Is it Tofino or Ticino? I thought it was just Ticino.
It's Tocino with sweet longanisa.
Yeah. That's why I chose it.
What a colorful hotel. Wow naman. Tingnan nyo tong lobby ng hotel. Diyan ka mag-check-in, of course. Pero ito yung tsura ng nila. Hotel nila. Lobby. Upo muna ako. Nakapag-check-in na kami, mga kalalas. Ito yung ating room. It's really nice. 2 beds. Alam niyo na kung ano nasa sa hotel. Ayan, meron silang TV, meron silang mga coffee mug, and ay, ang naman ito. Ganda naman ito, kettle. And of course, ito yung kanilang bathroom sink. Nakahiwalay siya. So, supposed to be ito nasa loob, diba? Tingnan niyo itong bathroom, oh. Taran! Where's that? No, that's the light.
That's it?
Yeah. And then, this is the, toilet. Separate.
Kind of weird of you.
Right? Oh, you will shower without the door. Okay. Oh, interesting.
So,
Different. It's in the luggage.
This one?
Yeah. Okay, pahinga lang kami saglit. Mag-charge ng phone and then we will go out right away. Kasi, mga kalalabs, today lang kami mag-stay dito eh. And tomorrow we're leaving, so. Yeah. Tingnan natin yung view dito sa labas. Mainit kasi eh. Show them outside. Taran! Yan lang. Tapos na. Okay, tignan natin ang beach ng Tofino. Ito ang surfing area ng Canada. Tofino. So kung meron tayong Surigao, meron silang Tocino dito. Char. Tocino Beach. Tofino Beach. Tignan natin. Hindi siya gaano kalamig. Pero nagpalit ako ng damit, nag-sweater ako. Yung suot ko kahapon. Kasi malinis pa naman din. Kasi medyo yung hangin is lumalamig siya. Whoa! Let's see. Gaano ba kaganda? Oh, 'di ba? May mga nagsa-surfing dito. Wow! Yes, there's a lot of people. Tingnan niyo, oh. Ah! Yung alon. Hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Surigao. Pero, ayan. Ito ang Surigao ng Canada. Tofino. It's a container house. That one. I know, right?
Cringy?
Pretty. Hindi siya kahoy yata itong mga kalabs kasi container siya. Tapos I think yung nasa labas niya hindi siya kahoy. It's PVC or something. Yung namin kagabi, yung hotel namin, PVC yung niya. Ayan o, container oh. 'Di ba? Container house. So container house. It's cool, right?
It's my dream house.
So PVC yung namin, bathroom namin yesterday. And look at that house, Nicole. Oh. Wow, ang ganda naman ng mga bahay dito. May mga nadaanan pa kami. Kasi hindi ako nag-vlog kasi sometimes chine-shares ko yung moment na makita yung Oh, may aso. Oh no. Nagsiswimming yung Yung aso. Ayan pa oh, yung mga bahay. Pero mga lumang bahay na itong mga to. Siguro ito mga, ano to, mga parang pwede mo siyang rentahan. Look at that one. They're making another one. They're making another one. Ganda ng ano.
Ube was here.
Ube, we miss you.
Ube right now wants to be held. Like, hey, Ube.
No. She's gonna run. She's gonna run away. Ayaw niya nagpapabuhat yun eh.
Ube would love the goat and the bird.
Huh?
Ube would love the goat and the bird.
I know, right? This one I think ano siya, private house or something. Yung mga iba dito, ano eh, pinaparentahan. Airbnb, mga ganun. Or summer vacation. Summer vacation house, parang ganun siya. Ayan, oh. Parang napaglumaan na yung, ano, bahay dyan. So, we are going to the, ano, mga kalabs, the cave. Hanapin namin siya.
We hope to find the cave here.
Yeah.
But we don't know. We don't know if they're real.
Okay. May libre ditong ilaw, oh. Oh, free. Let's get this. Let's bring it home. Pero maganda pa siya, no, be? O, diba? May libre pa siya. Ah.
You know what it means when you see a robin?
What? What happened?
The red chest?
Oh!
So when you see a robin, it means it's the first day of spring. Spring's coming.
Oh, really?
Yep. They only come out during spring.
Ah. He's eating the worm? Yeah. Ang may
Aw,
ibon,
poor
oh.
worm. Sorry, worm.
Nasaan na siya? Oh, wala na.
Sa bush.
Ayun, ayun siya nasa loob. Nasa pinaka loob. Hindi natin siya makita, nagtago kasi. Ayun, oh. Ayun. So, kanina pa kami naglalakad. Hinahanap namin yung cave na sinasabi ni Papa Dave. Kung saan-saan na kami napadpad. Wala, hindi niya mahanap. Ayan na siya, oh. Oh. Tingnan mo yung dagat, oh. Oh. Wala na. Oh, give up ka na, Papa Dave. Hinahanap niya talaga yung cave, oh. Oh. Sige. Ay, nako. Nakabalik na kami sa hotel, mga kalalabs. Grabe. 1 hour walk. Where are you guys going? May playground dito sa ano namin, sa hotel. Tapos, tingnan nyo naman to, oh. Diba? Ang cool. Sasakyan na ano, kahoy. Nakaka-amiss yan. Meron silang ano, mga places pa na pwede mong pasyalan dito sa hotel namin. Kaso nga alam, magpapahinga muna tayo kasi medyo malayo-layo yung nilakad namin. I think more than 1 hour. Hindi namin nakita yung ano, cave na hinahanap ni Mister. So, sumuko na siya. Kaya ayan, nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. Nakabalik na kami dito sa room, mga kalalabs. Alam nyo, maganda yung ano nito, itong hotel namin. They have a lot of things to offer. Meron silang sauna, meron silang hot tub. Kaso nga lang, hindi kami nakapagdala ng aming swimsuit. Tapos, meron silang parang disco area. Pero ano lang yun, yung parang para sa mga bata yata, yung disco area nila. Basta, ang ganda nitong ano nito, itong hotel na to. So, if ever na kayo ay pupunta ng Tofino, you should stay in this place. So, sobrang ganda. So, masakit yung paa ko dahil malayo yung nilakad natin. I think we walk almost 2 hours. Lab? 2 hours, right? So, 2 hours yung nilakad namin. And kailangan namin yun kasi nasa car lang kami kanina, diba? Ang haba ng ano natin, biyahe. And we have our 15,838 steps. So, sobrang useful nitong ano ko. Itong patrack natin ng ano, steps natin. Kasi nakikita ko siya. So, we need that. And tomorrow, we will have a long day again. So, lalabas pa ulit kami. Punta kami ng ano, sa mismong town ng Tofino. Doon kami kakain ng dinner. So, mag-charge lang ako ng phone. And then, we'll see you again later. Kasi meron na naman po nagpapatugtog ng music. Alam na this. Makapiright ako. Welcome to Tofino's Town. So, kakain na tayo ng dinner. Magsi-7 na rin. It's already, yeah, magsi-7 na. 2 minutes before 7. So, ito yung little town ng Tofino. So, may mga restaurant, may mga shopping area din siya. Doon kami kakain, oh. Yung may green na, ano, green na bubong. Wow, alam niyo kung ano naalala ko dito sa Tofino at saka sa Nanaimo din. Parang sa ano, Iceland. Parang siyang ganun, yung vibe niya. Pero of course, mas marami siyang ano dito. May mga shop. Maganda talaga dun sa ano, Iceland. Pinaka the best place na din namin na pasyalan. Papadib talaga, oh. Malamig na. Kanina mainit. Ngayon malamig na. Ayan. Ito na yun. Ito na yun. Yung Tofino. Tofino's Town. Kain. So, kumain kami, di ba, ng dinner. Tapos bumalik kami kaagad dito sa hotel. Kasi kinakati ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nakuha. Wala naman akong food allergy. Pero talagang kinakati ako. Hindi ako mapakali. Wala pa naman kaming gamot dito na ano, pang allergy ba. Meron lang siguro ako nahawakan kanina na ano, ba yan? Kati-kati. Nag-skincare na lang ako. Anyway, pabalik na kami sa Vancouver tomorrow. So, ganun lang kadali yung ating mini vacation. Yung road trip namin. Parang ewan, no? So, hindi kasi kami yung tipong ano, nagpupunta sa places dito sa Canada na ano ba, meron tayong tinatawag na ginagawa ng mga nagbabakasyon eh. Meron kasi ditong pwede kang mag-rent ng boat, mga ganon, mag-rent ng bike, mga ganyan. Pero hindi kami ganon eh. Kami yung tipong titignan namin yung area, i-enjoy namin yung view, tapos ini-enjoy namin yung pagkain, yun yung pinaka-main. Tapos ayun, basta yung view lang talaga yung ano namin, para lang meron lang kaming magawa. Nakakapagod siya pero worth it kasi nakita namin yung ibang place dito ulit sa BC, Canada, 'di ba? So, ayun. Sana po ina-enjoy nyo yung ating mini vacation. Babalik kami ng Vancouver tomorrow. So, maaga kaming aalis kasi hahabulin namin yung aming ferry pabalik ng 'di ba? Vancouver. So, magdadrive kami Tofino to Victoria and then doon kami parang umikot kami. So, dapat, di ba, babalik kami ng Nanaimo. Pero, hindi, babalik pa kami ng Nanaimo. Dadaanan namin Victoria. Tapos, Victoria Ferry. And then, Vancouver. So, itry ko mag-vlog tomorrow. Kung mabablog ko pa siya, mga kalps. Kung hindi, see you sa Vancouver na lang, no? Kasi, mahaba-habang biyahe yung ating ganun tomorrow. So, thank you all for watching. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo yung vlog. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. I-ring nyo po yung bell icon para ma-notify po kayo sa tuwing mag-upload tayo ng panibagong video. See you on our next vlog. God bless us, stay safe, and always be kind. Good night. Bye-bye.